Hello and welcome back to today's kitchen. Today, let's go with this incredibly delicious shrimp fajita recipe that tastes so great with rice, with pasta, with a wrap with bread, okay, as a sandwich with lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers. You're gonna bite your fingers. Okay, before we waste any more time, let's get into it. So on my ingredient list, I have here some shrimp, 3 cloves of garlic chopped, onions and bell peppers sliced long like so, and the spices we're going to be using are maggie seasoning, fajita seasoning, smoked paprika, black pepper, and Old Bay seasoning. So the first thing we're going to do is season or marinate our shrimp. The garlic is already chopped next to it. Next, I'm going to add my fajita spice, add my black pepper, in goes the smoked paprika, and the Old Bay seasoning also goes in. Finally, some maggie seasoning or salt or any bouillon of choice. Okay, that goes in. Mix it all together and let it sit in this marinade for at least 10-15 minutes. After 15 minutes, our pot is set. Add in some oil and wait for that to heat up. As soon as the oil heats up, add in the marinated shrimp. Now we're gonna fry this until the color of the shrimp changes. At this stage, you don't want to over fry your shrimp, okay? You're just gonna fry it until the color changes and there is no water left in the oil. After 4 minutes, or as soon as the shrimp changes color, okay, in goes my onions and the bell peppers. Okay, mix all of that up. Taste to see what is missing. Black pepper, salt, maggie seasoning, whatever is missing you add at this stage. Look at this colorful shrimp recipe. So at this point, you're gonna leave this on high heat because you don't want the onions and the bell peppers to release their waters. Okay, so you're going to leave it on high heat and fry it until the onions are golden brown also. Okay, there you have it. It's all set. So today my shout outs go to my lovely sisters, Aida, particularly Binta, Adama, Maje, Yombe. Okay, this delicious recipe is for you guys and all of my wonderful viewers out there. Okay, if you love shrimp, don't miss out on this recipe. You're gonna bite your fingers. Okay, there you have it. Bon appetit and see you next Saturday. Bye bye.